Alright guys, now it's time to create our ledger and a trial balance in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So to make a trial balance, we go to, to make a ledger first, we need to cut a pivot table. So to make a pivot table, go to insert, pivot table, and okay, I will rename it here as a ledger. Okay, now I'll simply add those item accounts, description, debit, credit. Now I will go here to design. I will remove subtotal. I will go to show in tabular form, and I will another go to repeat all item label. Then I will go here to make it a good look. Then go to view to remove the red lines. Make two rows or add one thing equal. Insert the name of the ledger when we are filtering out later. Okay, and make it bold and a little italic. Okay, one thing on just and we'll drag it out here, and I will here mention what type of account is this from. Here charts of accounts, add a VLOOKUP formula to exact match and enter. So this is our current asset here come out. This is the current asset. And now on like one thing I'll here add ABC Corp. Make a company name, something like that. Like this one. And I'll also here mention a ledger. So this is our ledger. Now we can remove this one row. Now I will add one field here. Another field is a balance field actually. So go to pivot, item field, calculated field, and here equal debit insert minus credit insert and sorry balances balance and okay. Now um, on again here format send. Okay, now I want to put here balance field number, no decimal places, 0 numerator, and boom. Okay, now two more thing, we will add a slicer for the account to make it dynamic and filter. So I'll put it right here. Okay, so now if you click any of this, it will give you a ledger for those account cash. You know, this is the summary of every account: electricity, equity, other income. So this is changing. Equity, capital, you know, the name of the ledger will be changed, and also its types of account: salary account. This is an expense account actually. So sales is revenue, 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 expense, expense, expense. Okay, and this is current asset. This is not a this is a balance sheet item because in we purchases or inventory. Okay, so that's it. And we can add one more thing. We can add the date. If you know dynamic for the date as a ledger, go to pivot, insert timeline and date. Okay, and just put it right here. So this is our. So now we have here only we have the data of February, but you can filter on by quarter, days, month, year, and by month. Even if I click on May, nothing will show. Nothing will show because we have only the data for February. So that's it, folks. That is our nice looking ledger. Now it's time to create a trial balance from this ledger. So guys, our trial balance making is very simple. We just have to need to copy this ledger. Okay, give it a name, trial balance, remove those. Go to here, remove the description, remove the date and description. We will only leave those items. So that's it. That is our trial balance. We just have to remove this as well and change the name in formatting here. Okay, so that's it. That is that's our trial balance. So easy. Only the thing is, okay, the cash is zero with us. The bank, the asset and equipment, we have this. This bank is this. Actually, trial balance give you the summary of every account. Like in the ledger, there is a detail of debit and credit, but in the trial balance, there should be balances, total debit and total credit, not on date wise and everything. Just here, if you see here, the cash is 1 lakh, 10 lakh, sorry, debit and 10 lakh credit. So we have zero cash. You can see it here as well in the ledger. First we get 1 million cash, then we purchase a machinery for 1 lakh, and then we transfer 9 lakh to the bank. So we have nil cash. So that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the other video where we will be making a profit and loss statement. And I will show you two methods for profit and loss method. One is for this. We have to create it from the pivot table from this trial balance, and we have one we have to create it manually. So stay tuned. Bye bye.